Divorce Checklist, California. Simplifying the divorce process. Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com, and today I want to go over a simple checklist for getting divorced in California and how we help make the process easier. If you're considering divorce, here's what you'll need to do. Meet residency requirements. You or your spouse must have lived in California for at least 6 months and in your county for at least 3 months. File the divorce petition. You'll need to complete and file the necessary paperwork with the court to officially start the process. Serve your spouse. Divorce papers must be properly served and proof of service needs to be filed. Financial disclosures. Both spouses must exchange financial documents detailing assets, debts, income, and expenses. Negotiate and draft a settlement agreement. If you're amicable, this is where you decide on property division, spousal support, custody, and child support. Submit final judgment to court. Once all forms and agreements are completed, the final judgment package is filed for court approval. Overcoming divorce paperwork challenges. Now, how do we help with all of this? Let me give you a real example. I recently worked with a couple who initially tried handling their divorce themselves, but got stuck after their paperwork was rejected multiple times. They missed key financial disclosure forms, and their settlement agreement wasn't structured correctly, which led to unnecessary delays. On top of that, they started second-guessing their decisions, which almost led them to hire attorneys, increasing the cost and tension between them. They came to us frustrated, and within a few weeks, we reviewed and corrected their paperwork, ensured all necessary documents were included, and resubmitted everything properly. Their judgment was approved without further issues, and they were able to finalize their divorce without spending months or thousands of dollars fighting through the system. How Divorce 661 can help you? At Divorce661.com, we guide you through each step, ensuring everything is done correctly and efficiently. No court appearances, no costly mistakes, just a smooth, stress-free divorce process. Get your divorce started today. If you want a hassle-free divorce, contact us at Divorce661.com to schedule your free phone consultation. We'll take care of everything so you can move on with your life.